Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one for the hottest Class B van camper in North America, the Pleasure Way Tofino. We've been waiting for this for quite a while, and it is worth the wait. It is a very cool, inexpensive Class B van camper. It has a lot of really cool things. Of course, first thing you're going to notice is the pop top. So you're going to be able to sleep an extra 2 people up there very easily. You'll have a queen bed in the back that's also a sofa, and you can have people travel back there when you're going as well. But a very cool system. So let's take a look at all the cool things that Tofino has to offer. One of the best parts is it's 17 foot 11 inches, so you're talking a very short chassis. It's very easy to get in and out of parking spots, drive it anywhere. It's just going to drive like an SUV. So very cool there. Walking through, we have the nice running boards all throughout, so that's going to make things nice and easy. This one we have ordered with the screen kit, so this will all screen off right here. We also have 200 watts of solar on the roof, and what's really cool about that is they don't put a singular panel on like they do on other motorhomes. Basically, it's flat on the roof there, and basically it makes it much lighter weight. So when you're lifting or closing the roof, you know, it's not going to affect anything up there. Makes it easy to lift up and to bring down. This one also has the luggage rack on the roof there. So you can put some luggage or kayaks or something like that on the roof. So your adventure sort of can begin here. And we have, let's see, we have the screen door that comes down in the back here too. That's another special order on this one. And we have a ton of storage space back here. I mean, just loads of it. And yeah, it's got a little spray port over here if you want to rinse your feet off, or if you have a pet or something like that, or a kid that you need to spray off if they're getting out of line. You can always take care of business that way. We've also got the ladder right here, and that's going to be for the top tent end, of course. Plenty of outlets strewn all throughout, 12 volts and 110 outlets. It does have an inverter on board, which is going to be great for your induction stove and all of your outlets. We'll get to that a little bit later. And this will come down into a queen size bed here. There's another piece of the bed. I can't quite do it one-handed, but this folds down, this jackknifes down like a normal RV sofa would, and then another piece up here just drops right down and fills in that gap. So a nice big queen bed on the bottom and a nice big bed on the top for the kids. So plenty of room all around, plenty of sleeping space. Walking around here, very clean lines. There's no extra caulk that's all over the place. It's just very clean. You still have that Pleasure Way quality. You can really just taste and feel that all the way throughout. Just beautiful work here. So we're going to have some vents for the furnace. We'll have our freshwater tank fill there. We'll have LP gas on and off. I like that it's all centrally located here. I like that there's an on-off switch for the LP gas as well, so you don't have to go searching for a valve and twist it underneath. And you have your 30 amp cord, city water connection, all very centrally located. So let's take a look inside our 2020 Tofino. Really am quite excited to get this in. Waiting for quite a while to see it. Okay, so we have a few steps in here. First thing we'll see is our refrigerator. This is a compressor based refrigerator here, so it doesn't need to be perfectly level. Cools down very quickly as well, so you know, you don't have to be just level. You don't have to have your propane on. You can have it on when you're traveling. You don't have to worry about pilot lights or anything like that. So that's definitely nice. And big counter space area all throughout here. I mean, tons of counter space. And we have our induction stove here. A very nice option. So it's going to be a little bit safer, especially if you're bringing kids with you. You know, it's going to be nice as soon as you remove the pan. It's going to be cool to the touch, and you don't have any open flame anywhere throughout in here. And we'll have our sink here, plenty of windows throughout, and we're going to see our sofa up in its sofa position, and that's the official term. And it does go down into the queen bed as we discussed earlier. And we have a really cool little touch screen here. Gives us our levels, gives us our battery levels. It does have lithium batteries on board, always being recharged by that solar, of course. We can check our LP gas here. We can check our gray tank, our fresh tank, turn all the lights on, turn water pumps on. We can adjust the temperature here. So yeah, very nice. It's all multiplex wiring, just like on the other Pleasure Ways. So, you know, going to be a lot very reliable, and it's all going to be centrally located here. And we do have our propane furnace underneath here, carbon monoxide detector over there, and yeah, we'll see our solar panel controller right here. It's going to give us a good readout of what our solar is doing for us. And then we also have the inverter up here. That's going to be great if you're somewhere where you can't be plugged in and you want to run, say, the induction stove or something like that, or run one of the outlets. You don't need a generator or anything like that. That will just give you 110 power right there. So that's going to be a nice touch as well. So, and then we have the pop top, of course. See if we can get some good shots of this. So these are all, you know, movable. We can unzip any of these. It's really easy to put up and put down as well. I did it right before we did this. So it is very easy. There's just 2 snaps that hold it in place. You don't have to walk around the outside. I was worried about that. You don't have to walk around the outside either and try and tuck the fabric in before you bring it down. You can just bring it right down and the fabric just folds into place. So that is a nice touch right there. Don't have to worry about the fabric getting worn or anything like that, or having to stuff the fabric in. So very cool. And we'll have a few little windows over here too that we can unzip. But all in all, there's lights. I mean, definitely a cool place. If I was a kid, I'd absolutely love it in there. I mean, let's face it, I'm kind of a kid anyway. I would love it up there. So very cool. We have our 2019 Ram chassis here, and we're gonna have passenger armrests. I like that. A lot of them aren't coming with those lately. And we have steering wheel buttons, and we have satellite navigation. We've got backup camera, all the basic accoutrements you'd come to expect from a Dodge Ram. And yeah, 17 and 20 miles to the gallon very easily, especially on the short chassis. And yeah, really is going to be a nice, lightweight, easy to drive machine, just being 17 foot and some change, so no problem there. So this is our 2020 Tofino, Pleasure Way Tofino. And my name's Josh. You can give me a call here at 414-281-6330. And if you want more product information, check out our website at advancedcamping.com. And if you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.